It's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, auto dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, magnetic fluid filled shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive finds that inside, the Sierra is one of the luxurious pickups, setting new standards for quietness, plush appointments, and solid construction. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.